I, Sudha Mathur, Director Principal, Mindtree School, offer my heartfelt greetings to everyone present. I also take this as an opportunity to congratulate Microsoft and Tech Avant-Garde on their arranging to have such eminent educationists, philosophers, and guides on the same platform and at the same time. I really feel happy to be part of such an august gathering. Talking about Mindtree School is something very dear to my heart. Mindtree School is a dream, a vision come true. It is a school in the real sense of the word. Everyone here, be it the management people, I myself, my teachers, and of course, the students are avid learners. We all believe that the real joy of living lies in one's communion with the eternal source of knowledge, which lies within each one of us. And it is this source that we must find for ourselves and activate. And here come the role of our teachers. Here at Mindtree, we are all mere facilitators and assistants who create the necessary ambience and atmosphere for the children to recognize their talent and potential and work in the right direction. Mindtree School, in order to cater to all the students, must then be comprehensive, expansive, and all-inclusive in its offering of various streams, subjects, and other contents. The school strives to provide for the varied and multi-hued talents and tastes of the students so that they may grow up to be well-rounded personalities. All this is possible only when the school has an inclusive and flexible culture. And this is what we do provide. As soon as one enters the gates of the school, it becomes clear that Mindtree School is a different kind of place, dotted with beautiful sculptures, paintings, murals, and other artifacts. The place takes you in its magical grip, and one feels the urge to rise up and reach the zenith of development and growth. Mindtree urges its students and staff to rise up to the requirements of the time and start moving. And this is what we did when we were faced with the lockdown. All the teachers very bravely and undauntedly learned to overcome the situation by mastering technology. First, they learned Zoom, and then, with the assistance of the Microsoft team, they rose up to the occasion and have demonstrated their skills yet again. The Knowledge Lavender Conclave has extended a beautiful opportunity to my teachers to imbibe and grow by learning the latest in education and technology sector from their counterparts. The same goes for my students. They too followed in the footsteps of their mentors and have become equally adept. They have learned to follow the winning track. They have developed conviction in themselves and have discarded things which could have held them back. It is due to such an approach, that Mindtree has been recognized as the hub of gifted students by Educational Initiatives India. Finally, I would like to conclude by saying, in the words of Dr. Abdul Kalam, that Mindtree School is a school of people with ignited minds who are ready to fly on wings of fire and take on the world. Thank you.